Hey guys, it's your girl Queen B. I have heard a lot of things regarding tea whitening and I've seen a lot of products on the market. Well, your girl will be doing a review on the wheat chip. Yeah, your girl bought it and it's sealed as a bat. So I'll be testing it out and you guys will be on the journey with me to transforming these babies who are already transformed because I don't have yellow teeth. The shade might not be, crystal white, but my teeth are quite perfect if you ask me. But we want to try the things them, so we're gonna try the things them so that y'all can go try them. And hopefully 16 minutes treatment. Right, so I just pulled out the top. Now I don't feel like me I put money in there. It have the user manual. Ignore the sound in the background. It is my kettle going off because I'm doing multiple videos tonight. I really don't have time, guys, so when I get the chance I do. So I'm going to attach it to my phone according to this. I'm going to, what's this? Clean and dry your mouth. Okay, there's a way to dry your mouth. Okay, you're gonna squeeze the gel into the mouthpiece, attach the USB to your phone, put it on a timer 16 minutes, rinse your mouth, rinse mouthpiece, and that is it. Yes, guys, so I want to make sure so everything with them circle in there. Alright, so these are the strips. Alright, so it come with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 week out of whitening. This is the shade chart. Right, and this is the thing. So it come with what if I head for true with any phone. Well, you know me is an iPhone person, so yeah. I wonder where the gel them they know that only strip me see. Oh, it's soft and it feels like something I have in the hair already because I do have some mouth situations here already. Let me see if I can show you guys what I already have here. I have 2 of these. As I was saying, I have 2 pairs of these. Yeah, I don't use them that often because they're so uncomfortable. Can I tell you them say I must sleep with this, but I believe sleep must be comfortable for me, so yeah. So it's just like that, squishy. I don't want to squeeze it too hard. Next thing I hear something damage it and I'm gonna whiten my teeth and y'all know I'd be upset. Ooh, I see y'all. I'll be injecting my damn mouth. Just 3 them, give me. Alright, I hope these can. Okay. Alright, so go to plug it in our phone and the thing just lights up. So I guess I'm gonna have to charge my phone before I do this. Right? Yeah. I'm gonna have to turn on Bluetooth too. Yeah. Sorry guys. I don't really wear a cap in my house, but my hair is a mess. And of course, I don't want to look not presentable for you guys. So, according to the teeth whitening situation, I gotta brush my teeth and basically clean my mouth. So, I'm preparing for the first try. Okay. So let's get, first of all, I was using a black toothpaste the other day and it was so good. It finished and it's quite expensive. And now the container, I was looking to see if I still had the container there, but I disposed of it. It had this brush in it. It's a charcoal toothpaste. So it's really good, guys. You should try it out. Next time I get it, I'll definitely share it. So all I want to see, yeah guys, I mean, I just showered. See, I'm looking quite fresh and the lipstick just is very mattified. Oh. Huh? Following instructions. Alright guys, I'm just as ready as you guys are. So I'm going in with the syringes. Oh, the gel is already in there. Alright. According to the instruction, you're supposed to. I think this thing's supposed to come out. Right. Because I knew it was supposed to come out. But I never pushed this so hard. Alright, let's go. I know I've done it. It's a move like I want you, so. Alright. So I plaster it in there. I'll pull back this car. Girl, don't want to do the things. Alright. I'm going to be plugging this thing in now. And I know I'm going to see nothing but tell me some put on something. So I'm going to put this in my mouth. So I can't speak after this, guys. Just the right side. It's a wee chip. Oh my. So now I need to rinse this bad boy. Sorry for the icky look. But yeah, I gotta rinse it out, so I gotta plug it out. Okay, this is the first round. I don't know how to feel about it. As I said, my tea was already, yeah. It's just these two current ones. When I came out of the braces, just never looked so right. So I decided that I was going to do something about it. So hopefully this works.